Hi, I'm Dr. Suprada, urogynecologist and cosmetic gynecologist at Akkineni Hospitals, Vijayawada. Stretch marks. Stretch marks are one of the most common skin concerns, appearing after pregnancy, rapid growth, weight changes, or hormonal shifts. While they are entirely natural, many women feel self-conscious about them, especially on the abdomen, thighs, breasts, and hips. The good news is that today's aesthetic medicine offers highly effective options to significantly reduce their appearance. At Akkineni Hospitals, our skin specialists combine cutting-edge technology with personalized care to address stretch marks at every stage, whether they are newly formed red or purple marks or older silver-white lines. Treatments such as fractional laser therapy, microneedling with growth factors, radiofrequency skin tightening, and medical-grade topical therapies are tailored specifically to your skin and goals. You deserve to feel comfortable and confident in your skin. Visit Akkineni Hospitals for a personalized skin assessment and discover the right treatment plan crafted just for you.